Hello everyone, I'm Shalja Sharma, your computer teacher. Today we are going to start with the design tab of MS Word. Fine, this tab is available in MS Word 2013 and above versions. Below 2013 versions, we have all these options present in page layout tab, like the options like themes, watermark, page color, and the page border. All these options are available under the page layout tab in the below versions of MS Word 2013. Fine. Let's start with the this tab in great detail. Let's discuss the details of the same. Okay. So let's start with MS Word. Here you can see here the design tab. Here is the design tab. Okay. So here we have some options like themes, colors, fonts, paragraph spacing, effects, and watermark, page color, and the page border. Now we are going to discuss all these options one by one. Okay. So first of all, let me write something so that we can start with the formatting. So what I am writing on the screen, I am writing is equal to RAND for some predefined text. Fine. So I have entered some text on the screen. Okay, so you can see, for example, now I wanted to apply these kind of themes on my text. You can see nothing is changing here. Nothing is except the font style. Okay, only font style is changing here on my screen. Okay, if you wanted to apply the complete theme on your text, what you need to do is you need to do some changes into your document. For example, you need to add some headings. Okay, you need to provide some style options to all those things, some color and some kind of style. For example, I'm adding some headings to my document. For example, here I'm writing MS Word. Suppose this is the heading of the like my this document, so I'm making it bold and wanted to apply some kind of style on it as well. Fine. For example, this is my heading one. How I can make it heading one like here? You can you can set it as any of the styles, like you have made it heading one, for example. Okay. So as per your requirement, you can make things. Okay. For example, right now I have set it as heading one. Okay. After this, I wanted to add one more heading below. For example, insert. So I have again made it heading one. Okay, wanted to increase the size and wanted to make it bold. Okay, whatever, if any kind of other color or style you wanted to apply on it, you can apply. Fine. For example, I have two headings in my document and I wanted to change the color of this text. For example, right now I'm decreasing the font size and applying one different kind of color on them. For example, this on this I also wanted to apply some color. The text under this heading for this. I have selected the text. Now I wanted to apply the color on this. So suppose I wanted to apply this color. Okay. So now you can see I have applied the color to the text and I have defined two headings in my document. Fine. So now I have applied some kind of style and all things. Now if you go here, like if you move here, you can see when I change theme. Okay, like for example, I am going to change this theme or this theme. So they are providing me the color options as well as the, like if they are changing the colors, they are changing the font style, they are changing everything. For example, I am applying this color, this theme to my things. Okay, you can see everything is changed here. Fine. So whatever suits you, you can apply that particular theme. For example, we don't want this theme, we want this theme or this theme or whatever you feel like. Okay, you can have that particular theme. Okay. So after this, what I do have is you can change your colors. Like as per the suggestion, you can change your colors, whatever color you feel like is suitable as per your requirement. You can apply that particular color. Fine. So this is totally depends upon you. So I applied this here we do have like some options present with us. These they are providing us with different font styles. Okay, which style, like little gap is there in some styles, little gap is there between the text and there would be a line under the headings. Okay, different kind of styles are there. Which one you like, you can apply that. For example, I like this, so I have applied this one. Okay, as per your requirement, you can do. Fine. And here, if you again wanted to change the colors, you can change them again as per your requirement. For example, if now I want this color, now I can apply this into my document. Fine. Now we have options like you wanted to change the font style. Okay, that you can change. You need to select the text, and after that you can change as per your requirement. Whatever you find is suitable as per your requirement, you can apply that. Okay, after this we have the options for paragraph spacing, like no paragraph space. If you want, there should be no paragraph space, you can choose this option. If you want some compact space should be there, or tightly line should be there, like open line should be there, or relaxed line should be there, or double lines should be there. Whatever is your requirement, you can uh, do things as per that particular thing. If you wanted to set this theme as your default theme, then you can click here on set as default. Otherwise, you can skip this step. Fine. Then we have option for like watermark. If you wanted to add a watermark to your page. Okay. For example, I'm clicking on this. You can see on the background of my page, there is a one watermark available, like which is written as confidential. Fine. Like if I wanted to change this text, I can change it by clicking on custom watermark. Like I have clicked on custom watermark. Okay, after that I'm writing here, for example, SRBPS online classes. Okay, now I have clicked on apply. Now you can see in the background. Let me decrease the font size and let me change its theme as well, so that, for example, this. So you can see in the background there is a one watermark SRBPS online classes. If you wanted to change its color, you can also change its color. For example, you want this color. Okay, you can apply that particular color. If you again wanted to change any other thing you wanted to change, you can change that particular thing. You wanted to make it horizontal, you can make it horizontal as well. If you again want it as the diagonal, you can again make it diagonal. Okay, if you wanted to like add a picture watermark, then you can also add it. For example, you have clicked on selected picture watermark. After this, you need to click on select picture option. Okay, when you click here, it will show you a dialog box where you need to click here on work offline if you wanted to pick the picture from your computer, which is already saved. If you wanted to go for any of the online picture, then you can go for the same as well. Okay, it will show one dialog box which contain where you can browse your location wherever your picture is stored. Like right now I am going to browse the location wherever I could find the pictures. Okay, so here are my pictures. So I want this picture as a background. Let me find that particular picture. Okay, which I want as the background. I want this logo as background. Fine. So I have clicked on apply. close. So you can see that picture is the here as a logo. Fine. Again, you can go there if you don't want it to be washed out. Okay, so you can add it to be like this. Okay, so this way that particular picture will be added to your document as a watermark. After this, if you wanted to remove watermark, you can simply click on remove watermark. It will remove the watermark from your document. If you still want the watermark, you can like undo the same. Fine. After this, if you wanted to change the page color, you can change the page color as per your requirement. For example, you want this color or this color. As per your requirement, you can add it. Okay. For example, I'm removing the watermark from here right now. So you wanted to apply the page color. Which page color is suits you as per your requirement? You can choose that particular page color. Okay. Now, if you wanted to apply page borders, you can apply page borders as well. How you can apply page borders? You need to click on page border. Which kind of border you want? A box border. Okay, what should be the color of it? That you can choose from here. The width of the border you can choose from here. For example, I have clicked on okay. Now this kind of border I do have. If you wanted to make changes to this, for example, any kind of any other style of border you want, you can choose from here. Like color, you can choose from here. Like the width of that particular border, you can choose from that particular place. Okay, again, you wanted to make some changes. For example, here you wanted to add some pictures into the border. Okay, so here you can set the width of those particular pictures, then click on OK. It will create that pictured border to your document. I hope this is clear to everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the session. This is for the today's session. Okay. If you wanted to remove it, you can also remove it. How you can remove it? You need to click on none, then you can click on oh, that is it. Oh, thank you very much.